Good morning, everyone. Good morning, class. Thank you so much na despite na hindi maganda yung ibang connection, na-try nyo yung best nyo para makapasok sa ating online class. So, last time, we discussed about the adolescent stage. So, now let's proceed to our next topic. So, I just want to say raise your hand if you ever felt like I'm just not good at studying or I learn differently than my friends. So yeah, I see a lot of hands up. So today we're going to talk about why that is, and it's not because you're not smart. This topic is all about multiple intelligences, the idea that there are many ways to be smart. So let's dive in. So I'm going to share my PowerPoint presentation just for a while, class. For our objectives at the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to first define the intelligence and know the different intelligent types, listen and participate in a class discussion about multiple intelligences, and last, list attributes or attitudes that could identify one intelligence from the other. So what are your talents, class? Meron ba ditong mag-share ng kanilang talents? Yes, Maria, you're raising your hand. Okay, writing and drawing. So what about you, Brent? Okay, singing and dancing. So that's what we call the talents that you had. So what is intelligence? Intelligence is generally defined as the mental ability to learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and use knowledge to solve problems and reason effectively. Okay, so first, what is multiple intelligences? Back in the 1983, I saw a psychologist named Howard Gardner in his 1983 book Frames of Mind possessed that human intelligence is not a single general ability but rather comprises several distinct autonomous modalities. This theory contrasts with traditional IQ testing, which primarily focuses on linguistic and logical mathematical abilities by arguing that individuals possess unique profiles of strengths across various intelligences. So we have eight intelligences help us understand the world, solve problems, and express ourselves. The whole part is there's no best one, they're all valuable. So let's go through one together. First is the music smart, knowing that happens through sound, tones, beats, and vibrational patterns. So people are sensitive to sound, rhythm, melody, and even tone of voice. So, meron ba dito sa atin na kumakanta habang naliligo? Meron? Yes, si Katie. Meron din ba ditong nagpi-play ng instrument? Or masasabi nila na out of tone or key yung pagtugtog? Meron ba dito? Yes, si Mark. So, some people even study better while listening to music because their musical intelligence helps them focus. So next is body smart. Knowing through physical movement and learning by doing. Like for example is riding a bike or dancing. They are great with their hands, sports, or dancing. So, sino dito magaling sa basketball? Okay, si Brent daw. At sino naman dito magaling sumayaw? O halos lahat ng girls nagde-raise their hands. So this is why some of us need to move around to remember things. Our body helps our brains learn. So next is Logic Smart. Uses numbers, math, and logic to find patterns. So who gets excited about math problems? Sino dito yung excited sa pag-solve ng problem during their math? O bakit, Alicia? Ay, hindi daw siya magaling sa math. Pero magaling kang sumayaw. O, si Ben daw, si Ben. Marunong daw siya sa mag-solve ng problem solving sa math. Okay, so iba-iba talaga yung talent ng mga students natin. Okay, so next is self-smart. Introspective intelligence involving self-reflective abilities, awareness of inner feelings, values, and beliefs. So, sino dito nag-spend time alone to think, keeps a journal, mahilig mag-journal, at alam nila exactly kung happy sila or stress? Okay, si Edmond daw. At si Maria. So this intelligence help us make good decision for ourselves. Next is word smart. Knowing through language, reading, writing, and speaking. Okay. So, sino naman dito yung mahilig gumawa ng poem? Usually sa English subject, gumagawa ng poem eh. O- Okay, si Maria. Okay, thank you. Si Ben daw. Next is people smart. Knowing that happens when we work with and relate to others, requiring social skills. Reading emotions, working in groups, or being a good listener. So, who is the go-to friend when someone needs advice? Sino dito yung madaling kausap pag may problema yung kanyang kaibigan? Okay, si Kent daw. At sino naman dito yung mahilig at gustong mag-collab sa paggawa ng mga projects? O halos lahat, no? Kasi pag nagka-collab tayo, madali natin matatapos yung activity. Okay, next is art smart. Knowing through shapes, images, and patterns we see or conjure in our heads. So usually dito sa art smart, yung mga magagaling dito yung mga architect, di ba? Agree? Okay. So next is nature smart. Knowing through encounters with the natural world, including recognition and classification of flora and fauna. So, who likes hiking? Sinong gustong mag-hiking? Wow, lahat sila. What about gardening? Okay. What about watching nature documentaries? Okay, halos lahat naman. Very good. So we discovered that everyone has a unique combination of these intelligences. So some of us learn best through movement, others through music, name images, words, nature of social interaction. This shows that intelligence is diverse, dynamic, and deeply connected to who we are. So, intelligence is more than IQ. We all have different strengths and ways of learning. Understanding our intelligences help us grow, connect with others, and appreciate ourselves and the people around us. So that's our topic for this morning. So I hope lahat kayo may natutunan sa ating topic today ha. Okay. So lahat tayo may mga iba't ibang intelligences, may mga ability tayo. So lahat na 'yon dapat nating yes, tama. Tama ka diyan, Zane. Dapat natin i-improve. Okay, so next natin na topic we were about to discuss next week. So I will gonna send your assignment. Okay. So thank you everyone. God bless.